Sa lahat ng doubters, wala eh. Ganyan talaga yung mga yan eh. Kasi ano eh. Wala, pag patuloy lang nila pagditaw sa amin eh, pinapakita naman namin sa game eh. Kung ano yung dapat pakita.
That's a very, very good flank on him. Looking at the spot about, he's given a spot about now as Edward goes in for the start. Phoenix, bottom down. Edward losing the mortality.